ठीक है.
Yes. Yeah, hi. So hello everyone, welcome. And today we have the brightest minds of the country with us, the young aspirants who have finally made it to IIM Ahmedabad, which is probably one of the dream campus for almost all the aspirants who is preparing for CAT. So guys, IIM Ahmedabad results were out yesterday, and I think Bangalore का भी result अभी आ गया, and a big congratulations to all of you for making it to the dream campus. Before we start, it's going to be an informal discussion today. And before we start, how many of you are still unable to believe this news? And कौन लोग अभी भी जाके चेक कर रहे हैं कि सही में कन्वर्ट है या नहीं है? Because बहुत लोग एक्चुअली वैसा करते हैं. See, yeah, Shivam.
चेक तो नहीं कर रहे, पर मेल का वेट जरूर है एक बार.
मेल का वेट रहे.
पेज नहीं देख रहे बार-बार, बट मेल तो चेक कर रहे हैं.
काफी लोग
पेज का तो अभी स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया था मैंने.
काफी लोग को आगे ऐसे का डायरेक्ट.
हाँ
12-13 बार चेक किया मेल आज.
हाँ, मेल काफी बार चेक किया.
हाँ,
जैसे ग्रुप में लिख रहा है कि अच्छा मेल आ गया है.
मतलब आई रिमेम्बर, आई थिंक बैक इन 2015 जब कैलकाटा का रिजल्ट आया था, मैं अपने कैंप में ऑफिस में बैठा था डिलीवरी में, एंड मैंने पहले चेक किया, पता नहीं, इट जस्ट शोड मी कि योर डिटेल्स डज नॉट मैच विद द पर्सन हु हैज शॉर्टलिस्टेड विद द क्राइटेरिया. तो मुझे लगा यार गया, और मेरा कैलकाटा वाज द ओनली कॉल उस टाइम पे. कैलकाटा खत्म तो गया 1 साल. तो मैंने दूसरी बार चेक किया, सेम रिजल्ट आया नहीं. मैंने 2-3 बार चेक किया, फिर मैंने सोचा यार नहीं हुआ, ठीक है, रिजल्ट नहीं कन्वर्ट हुआ. उसके बाद आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड टू मी, मैंने 30 मिनट्स बाद जाके दोबारा चेक किया, एंड उसके अंदर ये लेकिन कन्वर्ट वाला पेज आया. मैंने उस पेज का सबसे पहले स्क्रीनशॉट किया. मतलब मुझे नहीं पता कि व्हाट हैपेंड, ईदर आई वाज बहुत जल्दी में मैं अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर या डेट ऑफ बर्थ कुछ तो गलत डाल रहा था, बट समथिंग हैपेंड, एंड आफ्टर 30 मिनट्स इट जस्ट शोड टू मी कि यार कन्वर्ट. और वो जो गूज बम्स आए थे ना, मतलब इट वाज अनबिलीवेबल कि तुम पूरे साल भर आपने लिटरली मेहनत करी है, एंड फॉर जस्ट वन कॉल व्हिच यू हैव इन योर हैंड, एंड 30 मिनट्स बाद जाके लगता है कि यार चलो कन्वर्ट हो गया. सबसे द फर्स्ट थिंग यू डू इज कि यार स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, कल को कुछ हुआ सो वी हैव अ प्रूफ कि यार देखो कन्वर्ट आया था उससे पहले. सो या ग्रेट. आई थिंक काफी मिक्स्ड इमोशंस है. तो यार आई थिंक एक बार लेट अस जस्ट क्विकली इंट्रोड्यूस आवरसेल्फ विद आवर नेम, प्रोफाइल, कैट परसेंटाइल, ताकि कोई भी अगर फ्यूचर एक्सपीरियंसेस को देखे, दे नो हु आर दे टॉकिंग टू. या आई थिंक वी हैव प्रशांत विद अस एज वेल. Quickly, एक बार जल्दी से स्टार्ट कर दो. You all are going to be your batchmates.
Yes sir.
Yeah, Shubham.
Yeah, no, actually I was saying hey to Prashant sir.
अच्छा.
या हाय शुभम. हाय.
I think यार एक बार इंट्रोड्यूस कर दो जल्दी से, 5-10 सेकंड में अपने आप को सब लोग.
Okay, तो मैं स्टार्ट कर लेता हूँ. So Shubham Agarwal, I have my CAT percentile was 99.64. I have around 22 months of experience in consultancy services, and like I'm looking forward to studying with you all.
Great.
Yeah, so hello. Yeah, I'm Shreyansh Kattani. I had 99.65 CAT percentile, and I have a work ex of 2.5 years in Indian Oil in business development profile. So yeah, looking forward to studying with all of you.
Hi, I am Harshil Shah. I had 99.81 percentile in CAT, and I had 2 years of work ex in software development, and yeah, looking forward to joining IIM Ahmedabad.
And he's from IIT Gandhinagar. Important line.
Yes.
Hello everybody, my name is Abhinay Rana. So I have a work experience of almost 2 years. I'm currently working in Indian Oil, and my CAT percentile was 99.94, and I am also from IIT Gandhinagar.
Hi guys, my name is Akshat Shah. I'm a 2019 graduate from BITS Goa. My CAT percentile was 99.66. Currently I'm working in JP Morgan for the last 2 years. Looking forward to meeting all of you on campus.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Ashish Deopa. I'm a pass out from BIT Mesra. I'm working with PwC for the last 2 years, and CAT percentile was 99.9.
Hi guys, I'm Krishnakant Sharma. Madhu. Hi. Hi guys, I'm Krishnakant Sharma. I graduated in 2018 from NIT Bhopal. My CAT percentile was 99.98. That's it. And I worked for 2.5 years in Reliance Industries Limited.
Hello, my name is Mihir. I'm a 2020 graduate from BITS Pilani. My CAT percentile was 99.99, and I've been working for the past 9 months in an engineering role in a semiconductor company.
Hello everyone. My name is Saket and my CAT percentile was 99.85, and I am a fresher just out of college. Completed my exams 2 days back only, so yeah, quite interested to interact with you.
ओके हो गया सबका?
मेरा मन कर रहा है, मतलब इसके बाद सीधा सवाल YMB
हो गया इनका बहुत YMB के मल्टीपल इटरेशंस. अभी इस क्वेश्चन से दूर रहना है. अब कोई नहीं पूछेगा कैंपस में जाके कि भाई MB क्यों करना है.
Good, yeah.
Yes, I think Yash is currently having COVID, so he is having throat pain. इसलिए वो ज़्यादा बोल नहीं पा रहा है, वीडियो उसका ऑफ है, but he'll be there in chat as a listener. ठीक है, तो चलो यार स्टार्ट करते हैं. कैसा लग रहा है? How's the feeling? Something that can describe your feeling since yesterday. Plus I think अभी तो बैंगलोर भी आ गया. Most of you guys have also converted Bangalore. कुछ लोग नहीं है अभी हमारे साथ. I think कुछ family का medical condition चल रहा है, so they could not join. But yeah, how has been the feeling? If you have to describe it in say one adjective, what would that be?
Relief.
Relieved, exactly.
Surreal feeling अभी तो एकदम.
क्या?
Surreal feeling है सर एकदम, मतलब believe नहीं हो रहा है genuinely.
Okay, मेरे को लगा surreal feeling है. मतलब क्या हो गया यार, अहमदाबाद convert है.
नहीं.
So I have something to say here. So every year I see people, like from last 3 to 4 years I'm seeing people. So they convert. So the feeling that they get now, so it is a more like out of the world feeling रहता है. मतलब cloud 7, cloud 9 जो बोलना बोलो. दूसरी feeling जो आएगी वो summers पे आएगी और finals पे जो अच्छा तगड़ा लेके जाएंगे उस दिन आएगी. और लास्ट फीलिंग जो बेस्ट आती है वो कैंपस के जब कन्वोकेशन होता है. सो आई ऑलवेज से टॉक टू पीपल दैट ऑलवेज ट्राई टू मेंटेन दिस enthusiasm of about studies, about anything, because now I am out of campus of like it's almost 3 years now. So when I talk to people, so they almost forgot what is MBA and what they are doing, so it became so monotonous for them. So I am expecting from at least 3 of you that you are going to maintain this enthusiasm, that how you are feeling yesterday. So try to be young, enthusiastic throughout your life. So this is one message I have to give, because Shubham and Harshil, so these are smiling faces. So if I talk to you after 5 years, try to maintain this smile and be talking to me like this only, because here you are the best person. So you have well read, otherwise no one would have made to the IMA, because it's no backdoor entry or nothing like this. So if you talk to Shreyans, Akshat, Harshil, Shubham, so these guys are amazing to talk. So try to maintain this smile, enthusiasm throughout your life, because once the people pass out from that, after down the line 3 years, 5 years, so they almost forget to smile even. So don't do that. So that's why when Shubham asks how you are feeling, so feel like this always throughout your life.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And whenever you feel, I always say to people, like, write this thing in your life. एक डायरी बना लो, लिख लो कि 14 मई 2021 को क्या फील कर रहे थे? You have achieved something.
In fact, 13th May.
And read whenever you feel down, when you feel dejected. Yeah. So write in this somewhere. जहाँ पे रोज खोल के देख लेना. 10 साल बाद, 15 साल बाद, क्योंकि ups and downs will be there in your life.
हाँ guys, I think I look like probably जिन्होंने भी MBA कर लिया है, everyone will just agree कि अंदर phase में जाके काफी ups and downs आएंगे, and you need to know this day की 13th May को क्या हुआ था, कैसी feeling आई थी तुम लोगों के साथ. So just capture, note it down कि तुमने पूरे साल कितनी मेहनत करी है, what all have you done to come here, कितने बच्चों में से जाके इतना 1% like conversion rate रहता है. So just note it down so that whenever you are in a B school, internships का phase होगा, college के अंदर elections होंगे, etc. etc. बहुत phases आएंगे. There'll be a lot of ups and downs, and you should know कि तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया है. Yeah, Vishwas, you would like to add anything?
Yeah, मतलब you need to realize that वहाँ पे लगेगा कई बार कि यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, इतने मुझसे भी talented लोग हैं, but just remember that you are also one of them. You have cracked the exam fair and square. कुछ तुमने cheating वगैरह कुछ है ऐसे नहीं किया है कि तुम वहाँ चले गए बस. You don't deserve it. You deserve the place over there as much as anyone else does. So there will be times when you will feel dejected, sad. Just remember कि तुमने भी CAT फोड़ा है और तुमने GD, PI, you've gone through the process and you are no less. So yeah, this feeling you should sustain this feeling throughout your 2 years and just enjoy the journey over there. यार लोग क्या होता है ना, भागम भाग में वो enjoy कई बार नहीं करते. You'll make friends, you'll make good friends for life, and these 2 years you won't get them back. मतलब इंजीनियरिंग के बाद अब ये शायद लास्ट कॉलेज एक्सपीरियंस है तुम्हारा, और if you're not non-engineer then doesn't matter, लास्ट कॉलेज एक्सपीरियंस है, तो enjoy your time.
ये लाइन बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि तुम्हारा लास्ट कॉलेज का एक्सपीरियंस है, मतलब दिस इज द लाइन. तो ये टाइम वापस नहीं आएगा, लिटरली वापस नहीं आएगा. जॉब वॉब प्लेसमेंट सब लग जाएगा, एक जगह नहीं होगा दूसरी जगह हो जाएगा, इट डज नॉट मैटर. मतलब बाद में स्विच कर लोगे, लैटरल्स हो जाएगा, बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगे, बट ये कैंपस लाइफ वापस नहीं मिलेगी. अभी ठीक है कैंपस लाइफ होगी नहीं होगी आई डोंट नो, बट देन ठीक है जैसा भी होगा, बी इट वर्चुअल और इन द कैंपस, जस्ट लिव अप टू इट.
एंड मतलब एक और चीज है कि दिस इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट, ताकि मतलब आई टोल्ड दिस टू मेनी पीपल आल्सो ड्यूरिंग इंटरव्यूज कि ऐसा ना लगना चाहिए कि मतलब अपॉर्चुनिटी थी यार मैंने मिस कर दिया. तो रिग्रेट जो होता है ना वो हाइंडसाइट में बहुत बुरा लगता है. तो जस्ट मेक the most out of it, and it's a wonderful opportunity. Ahmedabad, the premier college of this country, you're going. So opportunities की कोई कमी नहीं होगी. मार्केटिंग में जाना है, कंसल्ट में जाना है, फाइनेंस में जाना है, जिसमें भी जाना है जा सकते हो आराम से. Don't let anyone say to you कि मैं यार तेरी प्रोफाइल वैसी नहीं. You can always work towards it and have the right motivation, so you can make the most out of it. So this is like a godsend opportunity to you, and I want you guys to make absolutely most out of it. So that's my advice.
Yes, I think one more point was कि try to come out of your shell. There are a few introverts here, Mihir, Krishnakant, Shubham. Basis my interaction with you guys, मतलब this is an opportunity कि next 2 years में अगर तुमने change कर ली personality, मतलब इससे better opportunity नहीं मिलेगा. Soft skills पे बहुत काम करना है. मतलब ये चीज़ है ना तुमको life में बहुत ज़्यादा help करेगी. Career, पढ़ाई लिखाई ये तो ठीक है, मतलब इनके substitutes है. बट अगर पर्सनालिटी चेंज करना है, यही 2 साल है जो अभी तक नहीं किया है, वो अब जाके करना है अगले 1-2 साल में. फर्स्ट ईयर में दोस्त बनाने हैं, नेटवर्किंग करनी है, नहीं बोलते एक्सप्रेसिव नहीं हो तो वो जाके करने का है, थोड़ा वॉलंटियर करना है, क्योंकि अभी सब लोग सेम लेवल पे हो. ये 400-500 बच्चे लिटरली कंट्री के बेस्ट माइंड्स है. बहुत लोग इनमें से सीईओज बनेंगे, इनके नाम आएंगे प्रोबेबली फोर्ब्स में. तो मतलब दीज आर द बेस्ट ऑडियंस, इनके साथ इंटरेक्ट करना और ये सारा अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत ही अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई थिंक बहुत लोग ऑलरेडी अच्छे हैं who can speak and express well, but जो लोग नहीं है, ये आई थिंक तुम्हारे लिए बहुत ही अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है. ग्रेट यार, ठीक है. तो विश्वास, इनसे एनी क्वेश्चंस?
Yeah. So guys, I mean, if any one of you would like to take this up, if you would like to tell us कि कैसा था experience of this entire journey. तुमने कब decide किया कि मुझे CAT करना है, and then how you went about it. तो CAT के लिए कैसे तैयारी करी, फिर then we'll come to the GDPI कैसे था, but initially I would like to know कि how did you decide CAT and then how did you go about it?
Yeah, I think any मतलब 3-4 लोग can at least share their experiences. Yeah.
I can share my experience. तो मतलब मैंने I was in my end of my third year. तब मेरी internship चल रही थी. I was working in the same company I'm currently working in. So I had a 2 months internship after my third year, and तब मेरा मतलब वहाँ पे मतलब internship end हो गए. तो उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा figure out कर रहा था कि क्या placements में बैठना है, क्या करना है. तो तब मैंने थोड़ा बहुत रिसर्च किया और मतलब सीनियर से मेनली बात किया. I had a few seniors who had just joined IIM Calcutta. तो I knew them and I talked to them. And overall मुझे ऐसा लगा कि the person who I am, I'm a better cutout for an MBA rather than जो मेरे बाकी दोस्त कर रहे थे, like they were taking GRE and applying for masters. तो I understood कि as a person I'm better fit for an MBA क्योंकि मेरे पापा का भी खुद का business and he has been doing that for the last 25 years. तो वो काफी influence था about products and all. तो that's when I like decided कि MBA करना है, and थोड़ा पर्सनल चॉइस था कि इंडिया से ही करना है, नॉट टू गो अब्रॉड. सो इसलिए तब मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि कैट देना है. बट अगेन तब मतलब आई वाज वेटिंग कि एक बार प्लेसमेंट हो जाए, देन आई विल स्टार्ट बेसिकली. तो वंस आई गॉट माय पीपीओ इन लाइक फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अगस्त, तो उसके बाद मिड अगस्त के आसपास मैंने प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करी थी कैट के लिए. तो तभी मतलब अराउंड अगस्त एंड वगैरह मेरी शुभम सर के साथ फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन हुई थी लाइक 2019 में. एंड उसके बाद मतलब वही फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स वगैरह में उनके साथ था. बाकी मॉक्स वॉक्स देता था. तो कैट 19 वाज माय फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, पर दैट टाइम आई स्कोर्ड 99.85 और तब मतलब ए बी से कॉल नहीं थी एंड सी में मेरा वेट लिस्ट हो गया था. आई डिड नॉट गेट थ्रू एंड ऑल्सो कि ऑनलाइन वगैरह था. सो आई डिसाइडेड कि आई विल रिपीट. एंड दिस ईयर ऐसा हुआ कि आई स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग. मतलब वो सी का फाइनल हो गया था कि अब नहीं हो रहा बेसिकली. तो उसके बाद मतलब मैंने फिर से मॉक्स वॉक्स देना शुरू किया एंड देन लाइक आई गेव मॉक सीरियसली टिल अगस्त वगैरह. एंड उसके बाद जब जॉब स्टार्ट हुआ तो ऐसा हो गया कि मतलब कुछ और इश्यूज आ गए थे वगैरह. तो मैंने 1-2 वीक्स के लिए ब्रेक ले लिया था, बट सडनली वो ब्रेक चलता ही रहा एंड लाइक इट वेंट ऑन टिल कैट. सो आई डिडंट नो वेदर लाइक. तो वन ऑफ माय आई टॉक टू अ फ्यू ऑफ माय वेल विशर्स एंड दे सेड कि नहीं तूने लास्ट ईयर इतने आई टेकन 40 मॉक्स इन कैट 19, तो लास्ट ईयर दिए, इस साल 15 मॉक्स दिए. तो यू बेसिकली हैव दैट नॉलेज. अब यू जस्ट कि ऐसा मत कर कि तू एग्जाम दे ही नहीं रहा. तो आई डिसाइडेड कि ठीक है कैट तो देना ही चाहिए, अब फॉर्म भरा है तो. एंड लकीली लाइक दैट डे वाज अ वेरी गुड डे फॉर मी एंड आई स्कोर्ड वेल. तो जब वो स्कोर आया देन आई वाज लाइक ठीक है अभी अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे मिला है, अभी इसको लूज नहीं करना है. सो देन उसके बाद मैंने इंटरव्यूज के लिए काफी एफर्ट मारा था एंड फिर अब हो गया. तो कल मतलब आई वाज ऑन कॉल विद अ फ्यू ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स जिनके साथ एक्चुअली प्रिपेयर किया था. एंड मैं ऑलमोस्ट 10 मिनट तक बिलीव ही नहीं कर पा रहा था कि ए हो गया, क्योंकि आउट ऑफ द 3 ए वाजंट माय बेस्ट ऑफ द इंटरव्यूज. लाइक इनफैक्ट बैंगलोर मेरा बेस्ट इंटरव्यू हुआ था. तो मैं बिलीव नहीं कर पा रहा था कि ए हो गया है. तो वही था. एंड फिर कल आई स्पेंड टाइम विद माय फैमिली एंड वही था. मतलब आई like whatever celebration we had was at home only and with family only mainly.
तो लाइक मिहिर एक चीज फॉलो अप, जैसे यू सेड कि इंडिया से ही करना है, तो अभी जैसे लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैव बिकम ऑनलाइन एंड प्लेस एग्नोस्टिक कह सकते हैं. तो हाउ डिड यू डिसाइड कि यार इंडिया ही, बाहर नहीं जाना है, इंडिया ही करना है, जीमैट नहीं देना है, या जीमैट देना है बट इंडिया पे इंक्लाइंड है?
मतलब एकदम ऐसे ऑनेस्टली बताऊं तो आई फेल्ट कि एन इंडियन एमबीए वाज अ बेटर सूटेड, क्योंकि आई नो व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ कंपटीशन वी हैव इन इंडिया. बाहर ऐसा होता है कि देयर इज अ लॉट लाइक इंडिया में जितना एकेडमिक्स फोकस्ड लोग हैं उतना आई डोंट फील कि बाहर है. लाइक बाहर टैलेंटेड लोग जरूर होंगे बट लाइक देयर विल बी अ लाइक यहाँ पे वी आर यूज्ड टू दिस लाइक व्हाट वी कॉल अ रैट रेस. एंड उसका मतलब we know there is a method how we can deal with such type of evaluatives or whatever. So I somehow felt कि I would be better fitted, like मतलब मुझे एटलीस्ट समझ आएगा कि यहाँ पे how to perform well academically. and obviously कि ABC were my primary focus, and मतलब they are as good as any other international colleges ऐसा मुझे लगा, and बाकी ROI वगैरह के भी terms में like they were very good. So फिर मैंने decide किया, and also कि most of the top abroad colleges require you to have a profile and have certain amount of work ex, which both I lacked. Like work ex था नहीं, and profile I'll call कि I have an above average profile. जो लोग ऐसा कहते हैं कि 999 वाली एकदम टॉप प्रोफाइल होती है, आई डोंट हैव दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ प्रोफाइल. तो आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है यार इंडियन, और फिर थोड़ा ये भी था कि इफ आई हैव टू गो अब्रॉड, सेटल अब्रॉड, तो ऑब्वियसली आई विल गेट अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन द फ्यूचर. तो एमबीए के लिए आई डिसाइडेड ऑन इंडिया.
तो उसी बता पाएगा कि उसके पावर के सर उसका सुपरवाइजर उसको दिख रहा होगा, और सुरभि की पावर के सर सुरभि को दिख रहा होगा, तो सर उनके सुपरवाइजर को ट्रांसफर कर देंगे आपको.
Okay, so sorry for that. तो हाँ, very fair point Mihir, and ठीक है, तो this was very useful कि why India and why not abroad, and ROI of course is a very big factor, and like you rightly pointed out कि ABCV they're at par with international colleges. So that's a very good point you made, and I'd like to add to that कि ABC में फिर आपको option भी रहता है कि आप बाहर exchange जाके कर लो. So that brand, if someone is looking for that, comes onto your CV. So you still have that opportunity, and अगर आप अच्छे हो college में जाके, so you can get good scholarship also. So for those people for whom ROI might be a problem, you do well academically, and the top 5 or top 10 people get a good scholarship to study from the top colleges of Europe. Correct. And US के भी हैं कुछ. So yeah, that's about that. Anybody who's a fresher, we had someone, right?
Yeah. I think Mihir was a fresher only.
अच्छा, Mihir was a fresher. Yeah.
मतलब
Okay.
last
So,
year I was a fresher. अभी मतलब since past 9 months I've been.
So actually, we
like
had one
Okay.
fresher.
Saket है ना?
99
हाँ,
point.
there was someone who introduced कि मैंने अभी exam खत्म
2
किया
days
है.
back.
So,
That
yeah.
was me that time.
Yeah, okay. So I would like to know कि यार how did you go about it? कि CAT preparation के लिए you want to give any tips to students कि how did you manage it along with your studies?
For me, it was like I didn't prepare like wholeheartedly taking coaching and all. I just gave like 30-40 mocks, and that was enough for me. So, like the COVID situation helped, and the 2-hour exam also helped. So, for 2-hour exam, giving 30 to 40 mocks became a bit easier than 3 hours. So, like कभी कभार होता था दिन में 2 भी दे दो. So, it was like just mock giving, and बचपन से ही कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स ही ट्रेंड है, तो इतना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Very humble. मैंने बस 40 marks लिए हैं. But yeah, I mean, I myself, my experience has been कि mocks जरूरी रहते हैं. Mihir ने भी अभी बताया कि इसने mocks लिए, and Saket also told us that. So anyone who would like to take this forward कि मतलब how to go about CAT preparation, कि पहले basics करने चाहिए, फिर वहाँ पे आके आप कब mock शुरू करना चाहिए. So if anyone wants to take this up.
Like from an engineering standpoint, मतलब क्योंकि JEE दे रखा होता है, तो it's like कि हमें quant mostly आता है, मतलब आता है कि just you need to revise the concepts. और फिर LRDI में भी मतलब basically questions करने का तरीका you can figure out once you start doing some questions, ठीक है. लेकिन main issue होता है कि verbal में, क्योंकि you haven't done anything like critical reasoning or this kind of stuff, ठीक है. तो मतलब that's very difficult actually. और मेरा mainly last year का attempt waste जाने का मतलब main यही reason था कि critical reasoning का मेरे को C नहीं पता था even till the date of the CAT. तो वो और मतलब I won't name the institute, पर उन्होंने बहुत ही fucked up preparation कराई थी उस sense में, तो मेरे को idea भी नहीं था कि ठीक है how to go
what is
about
changed,
it. But
Shriyansh? मतलब last year से लेकर अब तक what is changed?
हाँ. So this year my main focus was on verbal और how to go about मतलब critical reasoning and everything. और दूसरी चीज़ ये थी कि we engineers tend to believe कि हमारा quant बहुत अच्छा है and we just go lose on that, ठीक है. लेकिन एक मुझे जो observation थी कि the number of questions which I was able to do in CAT 2019 in quant was a bit less. तो मुझे लगा कि I can improve on the speed part, जो कि generally मतलब हम अगर उसको lose छोड़ देते हैं तो मतलब that is not focused upon and you are getting decent score in quant, तो हमेशा मतलब हम verbal के पीछे रोते रहते हैं कि नहीं verbal नहीं हो रहा, verbal नहीं हो रहा. बट एक ये भी चीज़ मुझे लगी थोड़ी, तो मतलब दीज आर द टू थिंग्स. और मैंने इनफैक्ट इस ईयर जीमैट के लिए भी प्रिपेयर किया था. तो जीमैट प्रिपरेशन एक्चुअली गेव मी द होल इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग इन अ मोर प्रिसाइज मैनर. उससे मुझे काफ़ी हेल्प मिली. मतलब आई वुड से मतलब आई वोंट रिकमेंड कि कैट के लिए जीमैट प्रिपेयर करो, बट मतलब मेरे लिए ये चीज़ फ़ायदेमंद रही थी कि मैंने जीमैट के लिए प्रेप किया था, तो इसलिए साथ में वो क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग वाला पार्ट जो मेरा वीक था वो कवर अप हो गया.
But this is very very important what you mentioned, Shreyansh, here कि मतलब whatever you guys are telling, it is very individual to you. So anyone who's watching this, so this is like a general discussion around CAT and CAT preparation. So the experiences here will be very specific. So it's not कि मतलब आप ये कर लोगे तो आपका अच्छा हो जाएगा, but you'll have to use these experiences along with your strengths and weaknesses and mold your preparation around it. So this was very useful, Shreyansh. And this GMAT thing, it helped me also. So जब मैं कैट की तैयारी कर रहा था, मेरे भी बीए में कभी अच्छे आते थे, कभी बहुत बुरे आते थे. So once I started preparing for GMAT, it helped me with that focus की exactly what is being asked and how I need to answer that. So I personally felt that helped me. But again, you do not need to take it as face value. You can use other methods also, which might help you out personally. Thanks, Shreyansh, for that. Sorry, Shubham, you were saying something.
I would like to add one thing. So like for VARC, मतलब मेरा भी weak था. So what I did was like I started reading editorials. So like a very common advice, and Telegram groups पे सारे newspapers के editorials एक PDF में आ जाते थे. So that also helps.
Yeah, adding to that कि editorials although I was reading, पर मतलब वो जो एक तरीका होता है ना कि how do you just apply logic to the language, वो चीज़ I guess मेरे में missing थी. Although I was reading that, but एक वो वाली चीज़ है जो मतलब people need to take care of when they are giving CAT.
Yeah, same
very
applies
important
to me. Like I am also an engineer and my verbal section was very weak. So last year like around 82 percentile, and this year like I improved a lot. I read only and gave a few sectionals, and I was able to score around 96 this time. So like that logic, that I can understand that what Shreyansh is saying, that logic part is very critical. So I developed that part very late, but I developed it.
So I'm hearing a lot of कि मतलब last year ऐसा था, फिर इस year मैंने improve किया. तो I believe कि preparation में जो help मिली होगी आपको, that would have definitely helped. So that brings me to my next question: कि how did you discover PrepZone and how did you find PrepZone helpful in your journey towards IIM Ahmedabad?
So I discovered PrepZone through Divyam. वो तो मतलब मेरा काफ़ी अच्छा दोस्त है. तो इट्स लाइक कि जैसे ही परसेंटाइल का मतलब मार्क्स पता लग गए थे, काउंट कर लिए थे, तो आई कॉल्ड हिम कि तूने क्या किया था. तो ही सेड कि शुभम से बात कर लो. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद मतलब आई तो फिर वहीं से स्टार्ट हो गया था. और इंटरव्यूज में पर्सनली आई वुड से कि मतलब इट वाज वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल, क्योंकि आई न्यू माय लेवल वेयर आई वाज. मतलब इंटरव्यू के लिए आई वाज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड. और एक चीज़ यही थी कि उसी मतलब एक्चुअली मैंने ISB R1 में भी अप्लाई किया था. तो मेरा वहाँ रिजेक्ट इसीलिए हुआ था इंटरव्यू में, क्योंकि मतलब आई वाज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द इंटरव्यू और वहाँ मैंने फकअप किया था. तो मेन यही था कि आई वांटेड टू गेट गुड एट दिस, क्योंकि देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरव्यूज लाइंड अप. तो फिर मैंने कहा कि चलो ठीक है, लेट्स गेट ऑन टू इट. और मतलब द काइंड ऑफ एफर्ट दीज मेंटर्स हैव पुट इन इज सिंपली वेरी मच. मतलब डेली नाइट पे आना और कंसिस्टेंटली हमारी बकवास पढ़ना और फिर उसके बाद उस पर रिप्लाई करना, तो दैट्स वेरी मच. मतलब और मतलब हमारा जो पर्सनल ऐसे ग्रुप था फ्रेंड्स का, उसमें वी यूज्ड टू डिस्कस अ लॉट कि मतलब हाउ शुभम मैनेजेस एवरीथिंग. मतलब he has a great sense of management, मतलब per se. तो मतलब hats off to Shubham sir. मतलब it's really amazing how he does that. और वो ये सब चीजें कर रहे हैं, साथ में दिन में मटेरियल डाल रहे हैं, शाम को वो ऑर्गेनाइज करा रहे हैं फेसबुक पे अंदर यहाँ डिस्कशन चल रही है. It was simply amazing. तो मतलब.
And at the same time, I would like to point out he's doing his job also. So
yeah.
Managing along with the job.
It's simply amazing.
The one thing you learn at Ahmedabad or any other B school is to manage your time. So मतलब you'll start knowing कि मतलब हाँ काम हो जाएगा, इसकी टेंशन नहीं है. So you learn how to do everything, almost everything. तो मैं देख रहा हूँ थोड़ा ये ना भी GD जैसा हो रहा है जहाँ पर I'll have to I think cold call people if they don't speak up. So
I like to share my experience.
हाँ चलो.
So last year actually March में lockdown हुआ. So lockdown हुआ, सब कुछ बंद हुआ, मेरे पास कुछ था नहीं करने के लिए. तो I thought कि अरे ठीक है start करते हैं. Let's start. So I called one of my senior from my college. उन्होंने बोला ये book है, start from this. So it was a quant book and I enjoyed doing math since my childhood. तो जब वो मैं quant के questions कर रहा था अलग-अलग chapters के, I really enjoyed it. And फिर जब एक बार 1-2 months down, I solved 2 or 3 quant books in those 2 months. First 2 months of prep. And at the same time for VARC, I knew that I will also struggle because I didn't have any good practice. But I didn't start reading newspapers or any other source or any material for VARC. I just started reading different books. I actually used that time to read books. I started off with one book that I thought that I will like. I started off from Sherlock Holmes, the old one written by Arthur Conan Doyle. And actually my preparation for VARC, the speed that I got was because of that. So now actually I have become a person who reads books constantly, and that hobby of mine actually helped me in the preparation as well. And one thing that I like to add about mocks is that I tried almost 5-6 different techniques of solving questions in mocks. Once I decided that I'll attempt 100% questions in the mock. And for the next 4 or 5 mocks, I attempted each and every question. Then I analyzed my performance. Then I had a different strategy that I will only attempt the questions for which I'm 100% sure कि इसका आंसर तो सही होगा ही होगा. So that was another strategy. And then by adopting these 5-6 different strategies, एक फिर final एक level आ गया कि okay, I have to maintain this. So giving mocks is also important in this way that you actually realize आपकी strength क्या है. Because some of my friends, they attempted only those questions जिसमें 100% sure थे. Some of my friends थोड़े से जो calculated guesses लिए. So that is also very important. And CAT की preparation, exam की preparation में I didn't join any coaching, सब कुछ खुद से किया. And I got a result better than what I expected. कि मेरे को ये था कि हाँ 99 से ऊपर हो जाएगा, I was sure. But 99.9 से भी ऊपर जाना, it was unexpected. And then I had no clue कि अब interview की preparation कैसे करनी है. So again I contacted my senior who was in prep zone last year, and he said कि prep zone join कर ले, आराम से हो जाएगा, तेरे marks CAT percentile अच्छी है और तेरी preparation वो लोग खुद करवा देंगे, तुझे कुछ tension लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो वही फिर prep zone join किया and 2-3 months वो पूरा जो अभी discuss हुआ कि कैसे articles discuss, write-ups, so उससे काफी हेल्प हुआ. एंड इंटरव्यूज भी लकीली हो गए, अहमदाबाद भी हो गया, आज बैंगलोर आया वो भी हो गया. तो एक्चुअली इंटरव्यू का तो पूरा क्रेडिट ऐसे प्रेप जोन को ही जाता है, क्योंकि कुछ मेरे को ABC भी नहीं पता था कि कैसे प्रिपेयर करना इंटरव्यूज के लिए.
Thanks Abhinay yaar for the really kind words. So from what I'm getting from these discussions is कि you need to know your strengths. So एक SWOT analysis type होती है. So you need to know your strengths, you need to know your weaknesses. And जैसे अभिनय ने बोला and Shreyans also pointed out कि हम अपने weakness पे कई बार इतना ज़्यादा focus करने लग जाते हैं कि हम अपने strengths को थोड़ा जाने देते हैं. तो we need to do that कि मतलब हमें उसको नहीं जाने देना है, strength को तो strength बना के रखना है and अपने weaknesses पे काम करना है. And I believe कि Shubham and team has helped you with that. So your weakness could be VARC, your weakness could be public speaking, or your weakness could in fact be quant also. अभी हम यहाँ पे सारे इंजीनियर्स हैं तो हमारा क्वांट अच्छा है, बट समवन माइट बी स्ट्रगलिंग इन दैट आल्सो. सो आई एम श्योर दैट प्रेप जोन हेल्प यू विद दैट इंडिविजुअल फोकस एंड अटेंशन, जिससे कि फिर यू कुड इम्प्रूव अपॉन योर वीकनेसेस. चलो दैट्स रियली नाइस टू हियर. उसके बाद शुभम, डू यू हैव एनीथिंग टू ऐड ओवर हियर?
I'm just enjoying listening to their experiences. Hello. Yeah, I'm audible.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think since last 4 or 5 months we have spoken. Now is our time to just listen to these guys and enjoy and relive those memories.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'll be a listener. Anyone else wants to share?
Definitely, and your hard work.
Yeah, Vishwas.
So one thing that again I'm taking away from Abhinay's feedback here is कि मतलब use these mocks to your advantage and use the mentors to your advantage, because these mentors have gone through the process. Now you yourself have gone through the process, so you will be able to guide people more. So it should be कि आप शुरू के mocks में ही अपना जो experiment करना चाहते हो कर लो, and then get your strategy. That then work upon your strategy, whatever suits you. And not just PrepZone, any institute will help you with that, but PrepZone में जैसे individual आपको focus मिलेगा, so that will work to your strengths, work on your weaknesses, and that will help you build a custom strategy around your CAT exam day actually. So that is, I feel, very important. कि आप शुरू में ही अपनी गलतियां को streamline कर लो.
Yeah, Vishwas. So guys, I think मतलब I've been in touch with many aspirants and ये common notion होता है बहुतों में कि यार सर अभी मैंने it's the month of April, I've just started the preparation, अभी हुआ नहीं है, so मुझे mocks अभी नहीं देना, and they'll probably wait till finishing up the entire syllabus, which perhaps is a myth क्योंकि you can never complete the entire syllabus of CAT. It's like a huge syllabus. Yeah, it's an infinite syllabus. तो बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि यार 2-3 महीने 4 महीने बैठ के पहले पूरी तैयारी करेंगे, सिलेबस कंप्लीट होगा तभी जाके ये लोग मॉक्स देंगे. सो व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक कि इज दैट द राइट वे, या मॉक्स पहले दिन से स्टार्ट कर देने चाहिए, और लाइक व्हाट इज योर टेक अवे? प्रोबेबली जिसने मतलब whosoever has prepared properly for the exam, they can share their experiences on this, क्योंकि ये काफी कॉमन कंसर्न आता है बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स में.
So I think I'll try and share my journey over here. It's slightly different from what the other guys have spoken. So I'm also an engineer, but I think for me, my verbal was actually a strength as compared to the rest of the section. So it was a different journey for me. With my work, like I have, like everyone has, but I was very busy with my work, so I couldn't really study on weekdays. So what I realized was, if I wait to complete the entire syllabus, I will never be able to start mocks. So I started the other way around. I started by giving mocks themselves, then found out my weak sections, and then I realized that, okay, this is what I need to study. The sections that I'm strong in, those sections I know I will be able to work, like I will be able to attempt those questions in every mock. But the areas that I'm weak in, I realize that using these mocks to my advantage would be that I find out the mock, like find out what my weak area is, study that, give a couple of sectionals on that separately, and then make sure that I'm attempting those questions in the next mock as well. Because during the mock, since you will be giving over 30-35 mocks during your entire preparation season, you will have a lot of time to chop and change your strategy. So make sure that you are not prepared only in one particular way, that your geometry and your trigonometry is strong, so you're relying completely on that, because on the day of the CAT it might just be that your weaker section will take you down. So from that aspect, I think using the mocks to your advantage would be to, like, at least what worked for me was not waiting to complete the entire syllabus, rather just dive into mocks and start figuring out where I need to improve from there.
And like I would like to add, especially for the quant section, if anybody is seeking help there. So what I did was I learned a few concepts first. Like, not I delved into deep of that, but yes, I first learned how to think what CAT is asking, because as an engineer we have a tendency to exhaust all the cases and then provide the answers. And with the CAT, there is a bit like twist to it. You have to just reach to the answer in a shortcut way. So you have to first like adjust to that thinking, and then after adjusting to that thinking, by learning the concept, by learning how to think in quants, and then I attempted mocks, and I just maintained a copy of different scenarios, like how would I handle it. So like for that, quant strategy was like the best work that worked best for me was this.
Nice.
Yeah, and I think especially for somebody who is like beginning the CAT preparation, I think the best way to start preparing is to either go back to the old CAT papers so that you get an idea ki क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, किस टॉपिक से आएंगे, एंड देन यू कैन प्रिपेयर अ स्ट्रैटेजी कि किस टॉपिक पे कितना टाइम देना है, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई डिड। एंड क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली आई डोंट थिंक कोई भी सारे चैप्टर्स को 100% कंप्लीट कर सकता है। सो वी ऑल्सो हैव टू नो कि कौन से क्वेश्चंस हम वहाँ पे सेलेक्ट करेंगे, कौन से सॉल्व करेंगे, बिकॉज सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व तो आई डोंट थिंक बहुत सारे लोग कर पाएंगे, बट स्टिल वी कैन स्कोर वेरी हाई परसेंटाइल by just having a proper strategy. So I think start karne ke liye it's a very good step ki we start solving old papers or just give old mocks.
Yeah, so like you said ki ye strategy, it's very important to identify the questions. I'm taking this keyword over here because CAT mein speed ke sath sath accuracy is also what matters. So I had someone who used to say ki mere score kam aa raha hai, so I actually advised him to take less number of questions, reduce the negatives. तो अगर आप 40 क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो और अगर आपके 30 से 10 गलत हो रहे हैं तो +2 -1 के हिसाब से यू स्कोर 50 मार्क्स, whereas you just attempt 30 and 30 of them are correct, you get 60 marks. So 10 नंबर तो वैसे ही बढ़ गए, and then you start increasing your attempts but with 100% accuracy और मतलब 90% 80% and above accuracy threshold maintain करो तो your score automatically improve. That is very very important suggestion I believe कि you need to identify which questions to pick and which to not pick. वो भी जरूरी है कि नोइंग कि इसमें ज्यादा टाइम लग जाएगा तो इसको मैं छोड़ सकता हूँ, तो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So yeah, so that brings me to the next part. I think someone was saying.
I would like to add like one thing that especially for quant, whenever you're solving it, what I used to do was I just make a partition of the whole page into 2 sections, and then whenever I'm solving one particular question, I used to solve it and then just like box it out. So whenever I do next question, I will box it out so that whenever there's some question that you are done with it partially, but you don't have like you think that you won't have that much time, so you skip that question. But at the end, if something like you have like 1 or 2 minute extra, and if you go back to that question, you can resume from that point onwards, and it helps solving 1 or 2 questions extra in the end. So for me, I have given 3 attempts of like CATS 2018, 2019, 2020. I followed this strategy in all the 3 CATS, and consistently I have scored 99.93% exactly for quant section. So I think that 1 or 2 question extra, that like attempting those 2 questions extra, that helped me more than like actually remembering my strategy and all that.
Plus
very very fair point, Harshit.
Like I would like it's not about the preparation only, it's also about the presence of mind you have, what mindset you have.
Absolutely.
So like one interesting story that I would like to share was like in my LRT I was not able to solve many sets. Like I was not able to solve not a single but expected questions, expected number of questions. So in my last 1 minute, what I did was there was one question of theta based questions, 4 questions. So all the questions were based on rounds, and the rounds number was 1 to 4 according to the question. So what I did was I filled in 2 in every every question, and I fortunately got 1 correct. So it was better to have 3 number than getting 0. So like that was the presence of mind in that case. Like so you have to do some that kind of thing also to just get the extra edge.
नहीं तो what you said Shubham earlier कि we are engineered in a specific way कि we go by step marking also, कि हम सारे steps लिखते जाते हैं और करते जाते हैं, so that is actually not required in CAT. And like you very rightly pointed out, sometimes just putting the options in the question itself helps you get the answer.
Yes.
So that identification and presence of mind is actually very very important. It helps you save a lot of time. So yeah, that's a very good point. And I remember कि like you said कि you missed few LRDI sections. तो मेरे साथ पहले क्या होता था कि ड्यूरिंग माई इंजीनियरिंग आई यूज्ड टू पैनिक कि यार मुझसे हो नहीं रहा है, बट देन वन ऑफ माई मेंटर्स टोल्ड मी कि अगर तुमसे नहीं हो रहा तो ये मान के चलो कि किसी से भी नहीं हो रहा होगा, मतलब 80% जनता से नहीं हो रहा होगा, तो डोंट पैनिक, स्ट्रेस में मत आओ, थिंक कि हाँ पेपर का सेट शायद डिफिकल्ट है तो सबके लिए डिफिकल्ट है, तो कीप दैट प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड एंड कामनेस कि हाँ नहीं डिफिकल्ट है पेपर शायद तो मेरे को निकालने क्वेश्चंस, तो अभी डिफिकल्ट है तो अच्छी बात है, जिसने प्रिपेयर किया होगा वही कर पाएगा, एंड इफ यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड वेल यू विल गेट क्वेश्चंस राइट, सो दैट इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
exactly what Vishwas said कि like मतलब डिफिकल्ट होगा तो सबके लिए होगा. एग्जैक्टली यही चीज हुई थी दिस रीसेंट कैट में कि मेरा थर्ड स्लॉट था एंड LRDI वाज डैम टफ. लाइक मतलब हो ही नहीं रहा था और इट्स लाइक कि सिर्फ 2 सेट करके आया था मैं और अनदर एडिशनल 1 क्वेश्चन में भी. तो और उसके बाद लिटरली ऐसा था कि मेरे मोर देन 50% मार्क्स क्वांट में आए. तो इट वाज लाइक कि उसके बाद आई हैड टू स्टे सेन एंड फोकस. तो मतलब ये एक मतलब मेरी तरफ से रहेगा कि यू ऑलवेज स्टे सेन इन द पेपर. अगर मतलब तुम्हारा एक सेक्शन हो गया है कि नहीं हो रहा है इसमें तो लेकिन डोंट लूज फोकस क्योंकि that makes a lot of difference.
Yeah, the same thing happened to me actually. I was just able to cross the cutoff and in the paper I was thinking भाई cutoff तो नहीं होने वाला मेरा तो छोड़ देते हैं. But okay, I just क्योंकि 40 मिनट ही थे, it was very like less time to pick yourself and test yourself at that point of time. But I was able to do that fortunately, and in that like in maths I achieved 100% accuracy and more than around 52% of marks were in quant only of my overall CAT. So yeah, the same point that Shreyansh is saying, that the tech quorum you have to maintain in all the 3 sections.
So I have one question for Harshil. So I know him like from like last year. So Harshil, how you maintain your preparation? Because I know that you have scored very well in last CAT also. So it is very difficult to maintain the patience and that enthusiasm of preparation. So how you tried and what was your journey?
So for me, like group study has always been the key for me, like throughout my whatever academic journey I have had. So this time I had one of my friends from college, Siddhant, who was also over like in prep zone. We both whenever we used to give mock for a 2-hour mock, we used to analyze paper for 3 hours, like arguing that why isn't this the answer for, like especially in verbal, because the answers are quite subjective. So we were like trying to explain each other that why can't this be the answer? Why is this in order in let's say para jumble or something like that? So what it like initially we thought that we are like using a lot of time, but over the mocks what happened was that our analyzing time it continuously decreased, and then we were able to then solve like analyze the whole 2 hours or 3 hours mock in 1 hour, like literally 1 hour. So and also we focus especially on verbal section because we both knew that if we had a bad day then our verbal section will be screwed up. So we focused there especially, and we like both of us maintained our each other's enthusiasm. And so yeah, that was the key for my preparation, like just because like I had someone to like talk to. That's important. Like if you can analyze paper together and if you can like convince the other person that this is the answer that you have marked, then that at that point you realize that
confidence
like the answer that you have chosen, like हाँ मतलब अंदर से आ जाता है कि यार अब जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होगा, मतलब जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं अटेम्प्ट करूंगा उसको अगर मैं अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर पा रहा हूँ देन इट्स कि बस वही आंसर है, राइट है. मतलब नॉट नेसेसरीली बट मार्क करते टाइम कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है कि वही आंसर होगा. तो मेरे लिए तो मतलब वो ग्रुप स्टडी वाज मेन थिंग फॉर मी.
व्हाट द मेन क्रक्स इज कि ठीक है पढ़ाई होती रहेगी, मेंटर्स है, कंटेंट भी काफी है, बट एक स्ट्रॉन्ग पीयर ग्रुप होना इज एज इम्पोर्टेंट एज एनीथिंग एल्स, जिसको यू कैन डिस्कस कि यार ये मॉक में मेरा इतना आया, तेरा कितना आया, क्या मतलब यू कैन एक्चुअली अटेम्प्ट द सेम मॉक, सेम आंसर एंड देन डिस्कस इट. ग्रेट. Krishnakant, you have been silent.
Shubham, I have Shubham, I have one query to Shubham, another Shubham. So Shubham, you are coming from like I forgot your name. So aircraft engineering or aerospace engineering? I just forgot.
Aerospace.
Yeah. So what happened that when I get people coming from chemical background and aerospace, सर केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग से हैं, सर एरोस्पेस से हैं, मतलब उनका मोटिवेशन डाउन रहता है बिकॉज इफ यू टॉक टू कंप्यूटर साइंस गाइज और लाइक कोर ब्रांचेस मैकेनिकल सिविल, उनको जॉब बहुत आसानी से मिल जाता है. So what's your suggestion for those type of branches, like not pretty known and very few people opt for those branches? So what's your suggestion
actually,
for them?
like when you enter like non-circuital, especially non-circuital branches जहाँ पे वैसी job opportunities बहुत कम हो रही है, so there will be two types of people जो शुरू से ही सोच के आए हैं कि नहीं अब इंजीनियरिंग हो गया अब हमें हटना है, और एक शुरू से सोच के आए कि वो करेंगे ही, और मोस्ट प्रोबेबली वो एंड तक करेंगे ही. तो लाइक जिनके पास लाइक ऑप्शन होती है like I think like it is not like that I am bad at aerospace engineering. I am one of the top 1% of my batch, but I was better suited and I knew in my first year of engineering itself. And for the people who are genuinely interested in, so there are many opportunities like new organizations are coming in, people giving gate and getting placed in ISRO, DRDO. Actually I got placed at New Space. So like there is no opportunities, there's no like less of opportunities, but yes, there would be some income gap for the initial period, but yes, if you have enough dedication towards your field, that would soon cover up.
With respect to MBA, Shubham, what I feel is कई लोगों को लगता है कि मेरा इतना अच्छा ब्रांच नहीं था, मैं केमिकल से ही हूँ, like प्रशांत also said कि CS और बाकी फील्ड्स के ज़्यादा दिखते हैं EC के, but I personally feel कि it's an advantage because CS EC के लोग भी ज़्यादा आते हैं फिर, and it helps you in your GDPI because that discussion is different. So if you need to understand कि from a teacher's point of view या interviewer's point of view, वहाँ पर they're looking for diversity, and if same kind of people are coming again and again, it tends to get repetitive. But when a person from a different branch comes in, so that's like a whiff of fresh air, और वहाँ पे वो फिर discussion अलग हो रहा है. अगर पहले 5 बच्चे सेम आंसर बोल के जा रहे हैं, फिर एक नया छठा बच्चा अगर अलग आंसर दे रहा है, तो that actually helps your cause. तो I personally feel कि you shouldn't feel disheartened कि मेरा ब्रांच इतना कोई खास ब्रांच नहीं था, मतलब मैं इतना अच्छा ब्रांच में नहीं हूँ. It doesn't really matter. Your preparation and your basics and your base is what
like
matters.
Actually what I feel is कि लोग इंजीनियरिंग में जाके सोचते हैं कि करना क्या है, they don't give much thought कि हाँ मुझे CS में जाना है, तो जो मिल गया ओके CS सबसे ऊपर चल रहा है, फिर EC चल रहा है, फिर चलो ये इलेक्ट्रिकल चल रहा है, ऐसे चले जाते हैं, देते हैं यार अच्छा मुझे ये ब्रांच नहीं चाहिए, तो वो प्रॉब्लम बहुत है.
खैर अभी तो यहाँ पर तो फिर अब it won't really matter. अब तो you all are in the same college and there are no branches as such. So I'll move on to the next section quickly कि CAT की तो तैयारी हमने कर ली and we realized कि preparation कैसे होना चाहिए, mocks ज़रूरी है, mocks का analysis काफी ज़रूरी है. But then comes the next part. CAT कर लिया, CAT में आ गए 99.XX. अब how do you determine कि अब GDPI के लिए कैसे, how to go about it? What do you think is the weightage that you would give to GDPI? Would you think about GDPI before CAT? Were you preparing simultaneously for it, or you started after your CAT and or after your result? So what is that? What's the next part after CAT preparation and possibly CAT results?
So I think from my perspective, what I felt was thinking about GDPI while preparing for CAT didn't really appeal to me, because if you are not able to clear that percentile barrier which you need, there is no point in preparing for GDPI. So keeping yourself in perspective and deciding what your priority is was something which I felt was important. And once I had given my CAT, I had messaged Shubham sir actually that this is my total score. I'm still not sure where my percentile will be. And even Shubham sir had said the same thing, that you will be on the borderline. And the day I received my result, the percentile, that day itself I messaged Shubham sir, I messaged Prashant sir that I want to join the prep zone course, because I knew that I do not have to worry about anything else for GDPI, because I've seen some of my friends, and when I gave CAT last year, I didn't I didn't enroll for GDPI because I hadn't gotten the calls I wanted. But I knew this year that if I'm getting the calls, I know where to end up, and I know that I can trust these people enough. The mentors. These are not teachers who are going to do stuff. These are like your elder brother type, that they'll sit with you, they'll scold you, they'll take you through things, but they'll make sure that they're treating your preparation as their own. And I think that was the thing which I felt the most. And the mock interviews I gave with everyone, like even with you, Vishwas sir, I remember my mock did not go well with you, and I was very heartbroken after that. But I gave mocks with everyone, like Yash sir, Prashant sir, Shubham sir, and these were the mocks which genuinely help in the PI preparation. And for the rest of the current affairs and everything, there are a bunch of very smart and talented people on the group. The peer group is absolutely amazing when you join PrepZone. And from there, I knew that I don't have to worry. I just need to be focused and maintain my confidence, which was an issue for me. Being confident that I'm able to crack it. But from that perspective, the materials, resources, everything, you don't have to worry at all. So my aim was to just rely on PrepZone and do my own hard work along with that.
Nice. Thanks, Sakshat, for those kind words. And yeah, so someone who's not really spoken right now has been Krishnakant. So Krishnakant, I'd like you to share also, or if you want to add something to Akshat's point, that how would you categorize GDPI in the whole scheme of things? And do you think preparation should start right after results, or you need to start after CAT, or how much percentage of your preparation would you dedicate to GDPI and your, even if it was an essay, what would you say?
So personally, I didn't start GDPI preparation before. I read newspaper, I read editorials, so I was in line with the current affairs to some extent, but academics and all, as I was working, I was already 2 years pass out from college, so academics was out of touch, and I was not really focusing on that. I was focusing on CAT. So I think after CAT, there was not even 10% that I had prepared for GDPI, and in almost all the top colleges, the 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 focus on the interview is very much right. 50% of the your marks is for interview, and only 25% weightage is given to CAT. So I think GDPI and interviews are much more important than CAT. After you get shortlisted for the interview. So after my CAT, I started preparing for GDPI, but I was sort of confused because it is very vast. In a sense, CAT is, you have 3 subjects you have to prepare, you know how to prepare. But GDPI is really, really vast. You have current affairs, you have academics, you have work experience related questions, you have HR questions. So, and time is very less. You have almost 6 months at least for CAT and only 2 to 3 months for interviews, to prepare for interviews. And in fact, Mihir introduced me to Shubham sir, and it is, I started around mid-December. I joined PrepZone, so everything was taken care of then and there. My current affairs, I usually took part in the discussions that happened over there. So my current affairs was also taken care of, and my Ahmedabad interviews was actually on 7th Feb, and it was really, really early. I didn't expect that it would be so early. And then it was around 2 weeks before I got intimated about my interview, and then I gave mock PIs to Shubham sir, to Bishwas sir, and it was really, really helpful. I got to know that what are my weaknesses, how to prepare for HR questions, how to prepare for academic questions, and it was really helpful. Thank you.
Nice. Thanks, Krishnakant. And yeah, so I feel the general consensus here is that we can take it in phases. पहले CAT किया, CAT देने के बाद then you start for GDPI. And CAT is like an exam to test your knowledge. But GDPI is a test about yourself. You need to know yourself, and you need to tell that to the other person, that what you know about yourself. So that's really important. And like Krishnakant said, it's very vast. You have current affairs, you have general knowledge, you have your work ex, and if you don't have work ex, what you've done in the past. So there's a lot of many things which need to be done. So I feel that it's 50-50. I can say that CAT would be 50%, then GDPI is a good 50%, and people take this part very lightly, but they forget that this is the part which will get them across the crossing line or finishing line, and it is equally important as CAT, if not more. So yeah, that's, I think, the consensus we can arrive on.
Just one more thing I want to really add is that a lot of times we see a lot of people worrying that my 10th marks were low, my 12th marks were low, my GPA wasn't good. So all that is something that you cannot change right now. The only thing that is doing now is denting your own confidence. So whatever marks you have in 10, 12, if you don't have a stellar profile, if you have like low marks in any particular standard, just forget about it, because you cannot change that now. just focus on the parts that you can affect. And one thing which I remember Hari had told me in my mock interview was that if you are good enough, if they want to take you, you will be given that number of marks in the interview that you will clear despite your profile. So stop thinking about your profile once you've cleared the CAT barrier.
very important point, Akshat, that people think कि यार मतलब 10th 12th में कम आए थे, and like you rightly said, nothing can be done about it. And I have said this during mocks to many people कि CAT is what is your rejection criteria. CAT अगर clear कर लिया है तो GDPI is there for your selection. They are there to select you, not to reject you, unless you give them a reason to reject you. So you should not feel stressed. जो हो गया सो हो गया. Now is the time to focus on what is in your hand, what you can control. So very important point, Akshat. So Shubham, you had any? I think Shubham is frozen. So yeah, a lot of you, like you said, that Pradeep also you got added to a lot of groups where we used to have a lot of discussions on current affairs topics, and we used to have general discussions also there. So what according to you would be the advantage of PrepZone in your preparation, either be CAT or GDPI or anything else?
Like I would like to point out, Shubham sir helped me a lot. Like personally, I was like my academics, I was very low in confidence for my academics and my current affairs. So, but yeah, and to be very honest, like I'm not that type of person कि जो diplomatic हो सके. Like in MBA, you need a diplomatic answer. So I still remember, like I sent my answer to Shubham sir, like why MBA now? There is a question like why MBA now? So at first I sent कि मेरा literally यही आंसर था कि एक साल मेरा CAT 98 में नहीं हुआ था जो मुझे कॉलेजेस चाहिए थे. एक फिर मैंने सोचा कि अगले साल दूंगा तो मेरे पास वर्क एक्स भी आ जाएगा और मेरे बेटर चांसेस हो जाएंगे अगले कॉलेजेस के लिए. सो दिस वाज माय एग्जैक्ट आंसर. Like at that point of time, like she also told me कि भाई इतना सच भी नहीं बोलना होता है. And that I adjusted like the certain diplomacy I brought into my answers, and current affairs I like I did that by reading newspaper and watching videos. And for academics I did, and a lot of guidance was given by Shubham sir, because I know how much I irritated him with my YMB answer again and again and again. Like around 3 times I have asked him to change my answer. So like in that point of view, my PrepZone has helped me a lot.
From my perspective,
very important.
Yep, sorry, go on.
No, go ahead, actually.
So from my perspective, since I was 2 years out of college, I felt that my academics was going to hamper me the most. So from that aspect, PrepZone just brought together so many people, no matter what stream you are, there are like 10 more people. And the best part is that you prepare as a group. You can, everyone, so for electronics, for instance, everyone like picked up a couple of topics. They prepared all the probable questions from there, and then everyone was able to study from that. So that, aspect of togetherness, that, you are not competing with these 30 people. You are competing with a lot of other people, but at least you have a few people on your side who you can work together with, and, reduce individual workload. So that having that peer group who is so ready to work with each other, that was one aspect of PrepZone which helped me.
Shreyans, you want to say anything?
Yeah, so like in the interview prep, so yes sir helped me a lot. मतलब like where I was actually in the month of January, और मतलब जब interview हुआ then जहाँ पे मैं था तो that the mock interviews and everything, और जैसे शुभम ने परेशान किया था सर को, वैसे मैंने भी यश सर को बहुत परेशान किया था, ऐसे रोज मैसेज पे YMBA का भेज रहा हूँ अपना आंसर एंड ऑल दैट. और मतलब ये सब चीजें थी. एंड इनफैक्ट मतलब mock interviews especially helped me a lot. Some mock interviews boosted my confidence, some mock interviews thrashed me out कि नहीं मतलब ठीक है, you are not that, you are not there. तो मतलब I got to learn a lot from those interviews कि like what do I need to improve. Obviously जो peer group है, that is the strength of PrepZone, I would believe. क्योंकि like the discussions and all which happen at the group level is amazing. और उसके अलावा भी you can do a lot of things if you want to. Like I had some serious issues with my academics preparation, क्योंकि again I am also 2 years into WorkX. So we literally created a group for mechanical engineering guys, and we divided topics, and we conducted quizzes among ourselves. So we had that opportunity because we had that peer group. So that was very useful in terms of preparation. So like yeah, these are my experience.
No, definitely. And I'd like to add over here that we ourselves have gone through the grind. So we know what is required. So we try to keep on adding that. So मतलब peer group is something that I used to miss. I had a 4-year WorkX और मेरे जितने दोस्त थे वो सब निकल चुके थे. So I literally had no one to discuss things with or to gauge my performance कैसा चल रहा है कैसा नहीं. So I realized that this peer group definitely helps you a lot. And like Shreyansh said कि mechanical का एक अलग group बना लिया. तो मैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से था, बट देयर वाज नो वन टू क्वेश्चन मी कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स पे पॉइंटेड सवाल अगर कुछ आ जाए तो दैट रियली हेल्प्स एंड यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ व्यू पॉइंट्स, अलग अलग व्यू पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं, तो यू लर्न टू think from those aspects as well. So that is really important, and that is why we brought in those experiences, and people like you only keep on joining us again and again. So you bring in a fresh perspective. So I remember Yash joined us, and then Hari was there. So we had mentored Hari last year, and he brought in his viewpoints and that perspective कि अच्छा अभी क्या चल रहा है. So we might be out of touch, but when new people keep on adding up, that really helps us out. So that's one big advantage. It's people who have been through the grind, who know what is required. So that's, I believe, a very good advantage that PrepZone provides.
Yes.
So yeah. So someone कुछ कह रहा है?
हाँ, मतलब I would like to add a point. So for me, like from PrepZone, like a lot of the help which I got was because of Shubham sir. तो मैं शुभम सर से मतलब almost 1.5-2 years से टच में हूँ through WhatsApp. तो मतलब he guided me a lot. Being from an engineering background, मतलब I didn't require much of a hand-holding help sort of in quant and all, but he gave me a lot of insights as to how I should improve my BRC. तो उसमें काफी help हुआ था मुझे. And GDPR में भी like everyone is talking about the peer group and all. तो वो advantage मुझे भी काफी हुआ. And the main good thing about that is that I made many friends. And मतलब I had enrolled for GDPI program of PrepZone last year as well as this year. So now a great advantage which I think I have, like I know already some folks, like I know Hari, I know Muaz, I know Vinay. तो मतलब वो थोड़ा अभी advantage हो जाएगा in like getting some help from seniors. And अभी भी मतलब मेरी मतलब जो भी हेल्प वगैरह की थी, सॉप बैंगलोर का सॉप लिखना था, तो उसमें शुभम सर एंड यश सर ने बहुत हेल्प की थी. मतलब रीडिंग थ्रू एंड लाइक आइटरेशंस. मतलब मुझे याद है कि आई स्टार्टेड विद सम 900 वर्ड एसओपी एंड देन आई हैड टू गेट इट डाउन टू 600. तो उस सब में काफी हेल्प हुआ था. एंड बाकी जो दोस्त बने वो तो है ही. मतलब जैसे आई डिडंट नो मतलब अमंग्स दिस पैनल शुभम से मेरी काफी बात होती रहती है बीच बीच में, अक्षत से होती रहती है, तो वो सब तो चलते ही रहता है. बाकी सबसे भी हो ही जाएगी बिकॉज वी विल बी लाइक स्टेइंग टुगेदर ऑन कैंपस. तो इन दैट वे इट्स अ गुड थिंग. लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि वी आर गेटिंग इनटू सम अननोन एंड वी डोंट नो एनीवन ऑन कैंपस. वी एटलीस्ट हैव दीस 10 folks whom we know, and like कुछ हेल्प चाहिए होगा तो वी कैन आस्क ईच अदर आउट. तो वो
absolutely Mihir. And like you said, मतलब थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे shameless plug करूँगा मैं अपने कॉलेज का. हमारा जोका ट्राइब हम बोलते हैं, and we feel that we are part of one big tribe, and that actually it's very helpful when you have that sense of belonging. So I think PrepZone में भी वो sense of belonging आ जाता है, and you start helping each other. So like you said कि जो ex students थे, विनय था, हरी है अभी भी, तो these people have helped you out. So I'm sure that if the next batch reaches out to you, you'll be more than happy to guide them. So that is what keeps going on forward. You keep passing it on. So that's a very big USP of our team, I believe. And it's not just Shubham or Prashant or Yash or me. I feel we all are members of this club, I can say. It's not just an institution. It's each one is a contributing member. So that's really very important. Yeah. So I think हमने CAT discuss कर लिया, हमने GDPR discuss कर लिया. We've discussed how to freshers, how they can work, how work experience people can go about it. So now results are out. So 2 महीने हैं, you have roughly 2 months before you join. So अब क्या plan है? What's next?
खाना है, सोना है, काम करना है. Like, what is it that you guys are really planning कि 2 महीने before you start your dream journey? What is it that you really want to do?
पहले तो resign.
हाँ, Meher?
Like first thing I'll do is resign next week.
अच्छा, resign definitely. The happiest moment on earth.
Notice period serve करेंगे.
मुझे तो लगा था कि इंटरव्यू के बाद 2-3 लोगों ने कर दिया होगा कि यार बहुत अच्छा इंटरव्यू किया, खत्म.
आज ही किया.
मैं मंडे को करूंगा.
Like results were out yesterday and मतलब बहुत एक सही चीज हुआ कि like today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we have a holiday, and also Monday को in our company we have a holiday. So I have 3 more days of holiday to like let this sink in, basically this feeling. I have time to absorb कि ये हो गया वाला feeling, and then next week I'll visit.
Good. So first thing is recognition.
But lockdown ही लग गया यहाँ पे तो.
नहीं यार, मतलब when lockdown wasn't happening, Shubham had planned a Delhi meet. तो 2 साल पहले हुआ था. I couldn't join at that time. इस बार मेरा बहुत मन था. But
literally I think that is one thing यार, हमने last year भी plan किया था. We are going to meet Delhi में, proper pub में मिलेंगे. 2-3 महीने party चलेगी सब लोगों से. But last year भी नहीं हो पाया, and this year also looks really difficult.
The last time we had this meet, जब पार्टी हुई थी तो मेरे बहुत अच्छे बाल हुआ करते थे. So now you can imagine.
Literally यार, सबके hair fall हो गए, लेकिन ये party नहीं हो पा रही है.
So it's बहुत time हो गया party.
But something, anything you want to say कि ये चीज होनी चाहिए, या you want anything to tell the next batch कि how you want to go about after the results?
सर मतलब मेरा एक थोड़ा सा ये है कि मतलब आई थिंक मैंने शुभम सर से भी थोड़ा सा डिस्कस किया था. तो इन लाइक नेक्स्ट 1.5 month आई जस्ट वांट टू एक्सप्लोर एंड लाइक फाइंड आउट कि which is like my interest, like which domain is my interest basically amongst the MBA. मतलब I have some idea already जिसकी वजह से I decided कि I should do an MBA, but I just want to explore and figure out कि if there is anything better suited for me. So for that, just reading about some stuff and like talking to seniors who have already graduated and working in some domains, or who are like the PGP2 students now, like 1 year senior to us. So वही मतलब थोड़ा, and also like getting to know as many batchmates as I can. So like वो तो है.
I think very well pointed out, guys. Do talk to your seniors. मतलब next 1-2 महीने अच्छे से बात करो. PGP1s, PGP2s, alumni. और दोस्त, मतलब इनसे जो इंसाइट्स मिलेगा that will be really really useful. Like you should at least know कि तुम जहाँ जा रहे हो वहाँ से क्या मिलेगा, how the entire journey is going to be. Especially जो तुम्हारे immediate seniors हैं, they can really help you talk about this online curriculum. कि अगर Zoom पे classes होगा, case competition होगा, तो how is it going to be? Because neither me nor Vishwas, we guys have an experience of having an online MBA. But probably your immediate seniors, like Hari Mohan, you can just all ping him कि सर एक Zoom पे connect कर लो सब लोग. और yeah, so I think these guys can really help you. इनसे insights काफी अच्छा भी मिलेगा कि क्या करना है, CGPA पे focus करना है या फिर summer exchange होगा नहीं होगा. मतलब those sort of questions which I think probably every aspirant is really interested about. कि अंदर क्या होता है, कितना party होता है, और what all things can they really focus on. Sports क्या होता है, I am ABCL, संघर्ष meet, जो भी sports enthusiast है, संघर्ष is one event which everyone really look up to. It is like I am ABCL का sports rivalry है जो सालों से चल रही है. So how is it going to be? And these are the things that is really good to talk about. So I think one last question which I have from everyone is, before you go to your B school, what is your what is your expectation out of the next 2 years? कि जब तुम MBA करके निकलोगे, when you have that degree, when you'll be convocated, what sort of person will you be? What is your expectation कि मुझे 2 साल से ये चीज सीखनी है, या मुझे इस पे फोकस करना है, मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है, मुझे प्लेसमेंट पे फोकस करना है? What is it for you guys? And I want everyone to just share maybe 2-liners on what is your expectation out of the 2 years of MBA, dream MBA, in fact.
Okay, so मतलब मेरा तो यही है कि जो एक्चुअली में मोटिव था कि हाँ थोड़ा बिजनेस साइड की चीज़ें सीखनी है, ताकि मतलब मेरा इवेंचुअली एम है बाद में कि खुद का कुछ स्टार्ट कर सकूँ, तो उसके लिए जितना मैं सीख सकता हूँ इन 2 सालों में, बट वेदर इट बी थ्रू स्टडीज और थ्रू अदर थिंग्स, तो वो चीज़ करनी है। और ऑब्वियसली प्लेसमेंट तो एक माइंड में रहता ही है कि यू हैव टू प्लान फॉर नेक्स्ट एज वेल, कि मतलब वहाँ से वर्क एक्स लेके हाउ कैन यू शेप योर करियर, तो ऑब्वियसली दैट इज ऑल्सो इन माइंड। तो ये 2 चीज़ें मेनली है, अदरवाइज मेक फ्रेंड्स एंड लाइक एंजॉय कॉलेज लाइफ, क्योंकि दिस इज द लास्ट टाइम।
बस आई थिंक तुमको कुछ मतलब खुद का स्टार्ट करना है एंड यू विल बी अमंगस्ट द बेस्ट माइंड्स ऑफ द कंट्री, तो वहाँ पे लाइक माइंडेड पीपल अगर मिल जाते हैं, सो नथिंग बेटर देन दैट।
Absolutely, absolutely.
Good.
So, latching onto the words that Shivam said, like-minded, I'm actually looking to meet some non-like-minded people, because like for my 4 years of engineering, a lot of people have the same sort of mindset. So one thing which I'm really looking forward to is meeting people from other backgrounds, so that I get to know their perspectives, their journey, and hopefully inculcate the best parts from them in my personality as well. So yeah, that's one thing which I'm really looking forward to.
Okay, great, really good insight. Mihir, Shubham and others?
For me, like I personally felt like the gap between knowledge and like practical coming into the work life, I felt that कि हाँ knowledge भी कम है and knowledge के साथ साथ वो bridge होता है जो practical में आता है, क्योंकि knowledge में तो हाँ तुम्हें दे देंगे बीटा कितना है, ये कितना है, वो कितना है और निकालो फिर, but हाँ वो उसको exact उसमें लाना, work life में लाना, वो बहुत important है और वो बहुत like अलग ही experience है। And like I am hoping to like bridge the gap of theoretical as well as practical as well through case studies to complete my experience.
Okay, good.
मेरे लिए मतलब वही जैसे जो what I talked about right now, I basically want to explore and understand what I'm best suited for, and continue my career in the right direction. If not what I've already decided, in case I find something else which is better suited for me, then maybe understand the best of it from the best minds and learn as much as I can.
Good, Mihir. Finally, you'll get an opportunity to explore all the areas.
Yes.
जिसका शायद अभी idea भी नहीं है. Good. Harshil, Saket.
हाँ, मतलब मैं तो यही सोच रहा हूँ कि ये बस एक लास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है जहाँ पे कोई बैठ के सिखाने वाला होगा, तो अब मतलब चूज लो उसमें, वो जो भी सिखा रहा है उसमें से जिसको जितना आता है उसमें से, उसके बाद फिर जो भी खुद करना है, खुद के भरोसे पे है, तो मतलब किसी के एक्सपीरियंस से सीख पाओ उतना सीख लो, फिर तो खुद ही टूटना है, मतलब मरना है।
Okay, nice, really creative answers. Saket?
I'm looking forward to like having this best foundation that I can have for the career ahead, like the 30-35 years career that we would have, like having the best possible foundation so that I can just enjoy myself.
Good, yeah, nice. I think anyone else was yet to speak up?
I think सबने बोल ही दिया है, but I would like to point out कि जैसे अभी शुभम ने कहा कि हाँ CGPA पे ध्यान देना है, शुभम की CGPA आ जाती थी, CGPA पे ध्यान देना है, ये नहीं सोचना है कि नहीं पार्टी करेंगे तो पार्टी में ही लगे हैं। शुभम पार्टी भी करता था और उसको स्टड सी का मेंबर भी था और CGPA भी लाता था, but I struggled a lot, so take it from my experience, CGPA is very important, उसमें बहुत ध्यान देना है, छोड़ नहीं देना है।
Yes, yeah. Great. And I think कुछ भी issues हो, we guys are there. You can always reach out to us or maybe anyone else. अभी I think seniors भी, you guys know कि कौन सा बंदा कौन से कैंपस में. If not, we are actually also creating a LinkedIn group for all the alumni so that you know कि कौन सा बंदा कौन से कैंपस में. You can actually start in वहाँ पे we are planning कि कुछ will start कि product management पे discussions will start, marketing पे will start. So you guys will be added into that group. But yeah, I think that's really good, and feel free to stay in touch and ask us for any queries you have. Prashant, you want to add something?
Yeah. So I'm talking to a lot of people with IMA. So our last year batch is still in touch. So इस साल थोड़ा सा ऑनलाइन में वर्ल्ड है, so unfair होता जा रहा है. So I'm not talking that what is happening in campus or in online MBA. So पहले से रेडी रहना, टॉक टू सीनियर्स एज जैसे सिस्टम लोग एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहे हैं इस वक्त, बिकॉज ऑफलाइन में IIMs में कोई एक्सप्लॉइट नहीं कर सकता था और चीटिंग नहीं होती थी. सो नाउ पीपल स्टार्टेड चीटिंग. सो कुछ लोग बहुत बैडली सफर कर रहे हैं, जो बहुत अच्छे बच्चे थे वो बहुत सफर कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. सो ये सब देख लेना, समझ लेना, क्योंकि इट्स अ बैड वर्ल्ड. सो पीपल विल बी टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ द सिस्टम. सो अंडरस्टैंड द सिस्टम बिफोर यू, मतलब फर्स्ट डे से ही लोग रैट रेस में फिर से लग जाएंगे. सो stay in touch with seniors. So anyone you can talk to me, and because I know that what is happening across campuses. So be in touch and just enjoy your 2 years, because this is the last time.
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, I think congratulations once again for the IIM Ahmedabad, and thank you so much for your time. I think हमने सोचा था that it's going to be 15-20 minutes of session, but then once you start talking, I think it just doesn't end. तो बातें चलती रहती है काफी ज्यादा, एक के बाद एक, and then I think अभी भी अपन 1 घंटा बैठ के बात कर सकते हैं, but now is the time to stop. So yeah, I think thank you so much for your time and wish you all the best.
Okay. It's a Friday evening. बहुत सही time. Enjoy your weekend and enjoy your resignations and enjoy your results.
Yeah. Plus, I think IIM Ahmedabad has already sent emails to all the students. So check out your email box and all the best.
Confirmation.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.